Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI headshot generator on the Windows AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Windows AI website and then we have to create our account. And after the creation of account, what we have to do simply we have to go to the AI tools option and then we have to go to this option which is called AI headshot generator. So let's open this in a new link. Before opening this one, we are going to close these both windows which are not going to be useful for us. So as you can see now we are here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to upload our photo here. For example, I'm going to upload my photo. So as you can see, I uploaded an image and after uploading the image, as you can see now the image is here. Now simply we have to choose that which style you want. For example, I want for the this one and after that the headshots are provided here for the male or the female. And then we have to click on the create headshot now. And after clicking on this, it will take few seconds or a few minutes in generating your headshot. And after that, it will be ready to use. So in this way, you can use this AI headshot generator of the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.